So Reddit content is not showing up on your app or browser. Maybe posts are blank, images are not loading, comments are missing, or videos just keep buffering. So I'll show you how to fix that. First, refresh Reddit completely. So click on the refresh icon at the top left to reload the page. Back out of the post that is not loading and go back to the Reddit homepage and refresh your feed. So if you're using Reddit on a browser, just reload the page. So then open the same post again. Sometimes Reddit simply fails to load the content the first time and refreshing forces it to reconnect. Next, check if Reddit servers are down. So a lot of users think their phone is the problem, but sometimes Reddit itself is having issues. When Reddit servers are buggy, posts, comments, media, and even communities may stop loading. So just open Google and search Reddit server status or down detector. If users are reporting outages, then the issue is on Reddit's side. The next thing to check is your internet connection. So click on the Wi Fi right here, or you can go to settings, click on network and internet, tap on Wi Fi, and see if you're connected to the internet. So Reddit can be very sensitive when your signal is weak. Even if other apps seem okay, Reddit may still fail to load images or comments. So try switching from Wi Fi to your mobile data or from mobile data back to Wi Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off to refresh your network. So to do that, go to settings and go to network and internet and look for airplane mode and toggle it on. And after a few seconds, turn it off, reconnect your Wi Fi, and see if that works. Then go back to Reddit. Now, another very common reason is content filters. So look for content preferences. Inside there, check options like hide mature content, blur NSFW images, or safe browsing. So to do that, go to your profile at the top right. Now go to settings. So in settings, you can go to profile. And again, check options like hide mature content. So here, mark as mature. You have NSFW, followers. So sometimes Reddit automatically hides certain posts, videos, or communities because these settings are turned on. So adjust them if needed, then check the content again. So just turn them off just like that. Check the box and tap on update account. Go back to the main dashboard, reload the page if needed, and check if it works. Next, you should also clear the Reddit app cache. So temporary files inside the app can get corrupted, which causes blank pages and endless loading. So on Android, you can go to phone settings, go to apps, select Reddit, tap storage, then clear cache. On iPhone, the easiest fix is uninstalling and reinstalling Reddit. So that removes the broken temporary data. On browser, you can click on this icon at the top that says View Site Information. Tap on Cookies and Site Data. Tap on Manage on Device Site Data. And just delete Reddit. Just like that. Just click on the delete icon and tap on Done. Reload the page and see if that fixes your problem. Now, another simple fix is logging out and logging back in. So sometimes your Reddit account does not sync properly, which can stop feeds or comments from appearing. So tap your profile icon, scroll down, and tap on log out, just like so, and tap on log in again at the top. Continue with your Gmail account, then refresh Reddit and test it. And lastly, make sure your app is updated. So you can go to Play Store or App Store, or you can go to Microsoft Store if you're on your laptop and check if there's a new Reddit update available. So old versions often have loading bugs, so you need to update it to the latest version. So those are the best ways to fix Reddit content not showing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.